So we got ourselves a tankless hot water boiler here by Bosh, and the complaint is, I don't know if you heard it or not, but it's beeping. It's because it's throwing an error. And did you hear that? There you go, that's your little bug. So we can get this off. That's what we have, the EA error. Now if you hit the reset button, right, you'll get this to work for about maybe like 2 minutes. The EA error means that there's no the flame has gone out. So in true fashion, right, when you just let you, that's the temperature of the boiler itself. In true fashion, what we do is to diagnose this is start with the simplest thing. And I already know what the answer is, at least I think I do. So let's go ahead and try the simplest thing. The simplest thing is, since this is a propane fueled boiler, let's check and see if we have any propane. So here's our propane tank. And look right here. Come on, focus. There you go. That means it's empty. This means you should fill it up. Oh, you're getting low, and then we have none. So we have no propane. So this is where we have to start if we want to try to diagnose this problem. Should be pretty straightforward. Yeah, I'll let you know.